unfeathered folks. Welcome to the Cackle Music Review, right here at Elms Family Farm.
Where all our singers are chicken to be on stage, featuring the latest in folk music with a little humor scratched up here and there. Everybody, please put your wings together and give a warm brooder welcome to the Hen House 5 Singers.
Battle baby, and she's out of sight. I clucked to her across the barnyard home. I never see my honey, but she's mine, alright. So take the step and leave my hand alone. Every single morning you will hear me crow. Hey, farmer lad, we're wasting time. Until I find that hen, and this is what I'll say to keep her in mind. Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey. Hello, my barnyard pal. Bust down that chicken wire. Baby, my heart's on fire. If you refuse me, honey, lose me, then you'll be left alone. Let's make this hen house home and tell me I'm your own. Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey. Hello, my barnyard pal. Let's bust down this chicken wire. Baby, my heart's on fire. If you refuse me, honey, you'll lose me. Then you'll be left alone. Let's make this hen house home. Tell me I'm your own.
You are my best hen, my only girlfriend, 'cause you lay brown eggs throughout the day. You'll never know, dear, how much I love them. Please don't take my brown eggs away.
It's like 3 minutes left.
Other night, dear, as I was roosting, I dreamt you came into my barn. When oh dear, I was mistaken,
You can delete it right after.
for there were no brown eggs around. Are my best
You're my best hen, honey lamb.
only girl,
Honey child, honey pie.
you lay brown,
When you lay them brown eggs
throughout the
morning, noon, and night.
You'll never know,
Something
dear,
about you, honey,
how much I love
I can't put into words.
Please don't take
Please don't take my brown eggs away.
Please don't take
Please, honey
my
lamb,
brown
don't take
eggs
them away.
Howdy, folks, and welcome to the Hen House. We're feeling plucky, and when we feel plucky, we like to get clucky. So let us introduce ourselves to you before we get back to what we like to do, which is singing. Hi, I'm Bubba Doodle Doo. I'm Free Range Frankie. How are you? Hi, everybody. I'm Sonny. Sunny side up.
Hi, I'm Frida. Frida Chicken. Everybody likes a Frida Chicken.
Good to see ya. I'm Billy Feathers. Now that we're finished with the niceties, we're gonna get back to what we like doing best, which is singing and dancing. Some of the best you're gonna see in these here parts. So let's go! I came down from the barnyard with a banjo on my knee. I'm going to that chicken coop, my true love for to see. It rained all night the day I left, the weather it was dry. The sun so hot I froze to death. Chicken Anna, don't you cry. Chicken Anna, oh don't you cry for me, 'cause I come down from the barnyard with a banjo on my knee. I had a dream the other night when everything was still. I dreamed of Chicken Anna coming down the hill. She looked so good, she looked so fine, no feather out of place. You've never seen a chicken with such a pretty face. Chicken Anna, oh don't you cry for me, 'cause I come down from the barnyard with a banjo on my knee. Chicken Anna, oh don't you cry for me, 'cause I come down from the barnyard with a banjo on my knee. I come down from that barnyard with a banjo on my knee. Barnyard chickens sing this song.
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
Barnyard chickens sing this song.
We came here as little chicks.
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
Now we're grown and need some kicks.
All the doo-dah. Cook all night, cook all day. Barnyard chickens sing this song. Barnyard chickens sing this song.
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
Barnyard chickens sing this song.
All the doo-dah. Here's to come on over here.
Doo-dah,
Here's to come on over here.
all the doo-dah day.
Go, 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 go,
Barnyard chickens sing this song.
all the doo-dah day. Go, go, go,
The barnyard chickens sing this song.
all the doo-dah day.
The barnyard chickens sing this song.
All the doo-dah day.
Woo!